DC show. Today we have with us Prateek Gandhi.
Hello, hi guys.
How are you?
I'm absolutely good.
What's happening? You were all there out on social media and everywhere else.
I know, I think social media is on auto mode now. Like people are driving it. There are a lot of love that I have received for the last release, which is Scam, the Harshad Mehta story. So it's overwhelming, the kind of response that I've received. And I'm still trying to digest it with the coffee.
So, how has it been? The kind of success. Of course, you must have expected with the kind of hard work you would have put in. After that, you would have expected all of this. But then, is it better than the expectations or how?
Oh, it's much, much more than what I had thought of. I would not say expectation, but whatever project that you do, there is some kind of thought which is there in your mind right from the beginning, the moment you select the project or you get selected for the project. So, for particularly for Scam, one thing was very, very clear in my mind that I am working with Hansal Mehta. There are a lot of brilliant actors around in the whole series. So, one thing was very clear in my mind that I'm doing something which is going to be a brilliant, brilliant product. But never thought that this will become so huge, so big, and it will change my life upside down, which it has.
Clearly. So, how are you actually coping up with the kind of fame you've gotten? And it's actually overwhelming. But more than that, like, how are you keeping up to your roots and staying grounded?
The best way I found to do this or cope with this is don't think much about it. You keep working. You think about your next project, read something, get involved in something, and get out of this entire jing bang and what is happening around. At the same time, I would like to enjoy this also. But yeah, so that's how I'm coping up.
Nice. Also, the challenges while doing Harshit Mehta's character, and how did you do the research and everything to be in the character like actually you are the Harshit Mehta?
So that's a very interesting process, for any character that I do or I had been doing on stage or whether in regional cinema or anywhere else. I guess my understanding of the character, my process is same. And the process is there is no process as such. I just feel the characters. I get into those nuances. I want to understand those nuances first. That what characteristics that we are talking about. How do we want to portray this character? So for Harshad Mehta, we were very sure that we never wanted to make him a hero or a villain. We just wanted to make a human out of it, the character. Humanize the character and react in particular way in each and every situation and make it live. And I guess that's how it shaped up.
So, after Harshad Mehta, what are the kind of films or the scripts that are offered?
So a lot of things have changed actually. I'm getting good offers from mainstream and web series projects also. So that's a very interesting position to be in for an actor, where people are ready to narrate the story. Where I have multiple scripts to select from, and I guess this is the best phase of my career right now.
Right now. Right now. But yeah, I know you're keeping it really, really calm about the whole idea that, ठीक है, हो रहा है. Just keep calm, don't react, don't jump.
I mean, jump and all, because it is, see, the moment it got released, very next day I started getting calls and messages that we've seen all the episodes and it is brilliant. It is. So I said, okay, let's see, because the first calls that you get is from your near ones, you're the first circle that you have. A lot of people from Gujarat also called me, and I was okay, it's happening. Slowly and steadily, I guess within 15 days, it became so big. And even after 2 months now, of the release, it is still big.
But what changes are you going to make for the fans now? Because they would want to communicate more with you. So
I'm trying to be as responsive as possible, on my mails or social media or wherever I get time, whenever I get time actually.
nice. How has been the reaction from the family and the friends?
Oh, they are all overjoyed actually. My entire family, they're very, very happy, very, very happy. It seems as if it was not only me who was, in this dream or who was having this dream. They all had shared the same passion in this dream of mine. And so it's a huge success for everyone around me. That's how it is, that's how I feel about it right now. The way people are talking about it, they have owned it up. In fact, my family, all my friends, they actually feel that uh, they personally have done something great, yeah, and conquered something. So that's a such a good feel, yeah.
Pratik, you've worked really hard, stayed in your car kind of a days you've seen. To that, and after that, this being a success, complete success, what was the first thing that happened to you?
So I'll tell you frankly, there are first 2 3 reactions that I had, and I was talking to my family only, that I had been performing in a similar way. My approach towards the characters was similar. Suddenly, what changed so much that the entire world is going gaga over it? सो आई गेस मैंने ऐसा क्या कर दिया यार, मतलब मैं तो जनरली कोई भी कहीं पर भी करता था थिएटर. सो दैट वाज वन फर्स्ट रिएक्शन. अदर इज दैट वेरी वेरी सेटिस्फाइंग फील, and it encourages you as an actor that now this process or the way you work is working for the people. So it strengthens my faith in my own craft कि कुछ तो सही कर रहा था.
Nice. Also, something about Gujarati films. What are the plans further with you getting films in Bollywood and then having your regional cinema and then theatre? Of course, I don't know what's happening to that part, but you would know it better. What are the plans?
Theatre, I guess it's my first love, and that's where I come from. That's where I feel that my craft is being polished. So theatre is there, of course there. It's going to be there. I'm just waiting for theatres to open up so that I go on stage and perform. As far as Gujarati films are concerned, so I am absolutely open. So yes, I'm looking forward for good experiments in Gujarati films now.
So, what are the kind of scripts that you would now want to work on? Because you've done Harshad Mehta. I mean, that's like made a standard out there that, you know, this is how I can go. So, you would want to do tougher roles or challenges, or how?
So I am looking for all the scripts and characters which are really challenging in terms of the characters that I have not done or which can challenge me as an actor. Biopic is one of my favorite subjects because I had been doing a lot of biopic characters on stage also.
Which are the 5 things that no one knows about you and that you would exclusively reveal on the DC show?
I guess people know about my temper, maybe.
What is it?
It's very cool.
Okay.
Other thing is they might not know my shoe size, which is 10 and a half wide.
Okay.
So I like to have different watches. Yeah, wrist watches, So that is one thing. Other thing is, अच्छा मुझे पहाड़ों में जाना बहुत पसंद है. एडवेंचर बहुत पसंद है जो मैंने कभी किया ही नहीं है.
Okay.
मतलब बहुत कम टाइम मिला है कहीं भी जाने का. सो दैट इज़ वन अनदर थिंग. रेस्ट आई गेस, रेस्ट तो मुझे नहीं पता यार ऐसा क्या है. मतलब ऐसा कुछ अनकॉमन तो है ही नहीं. बताइए, इतना ही कॉमन लाइफ है मेरा तो कि कुछ अनकॉमन है ही नहीं तो क्या पता है.
Your fitness transformation, like what all did you do to get back in shape?
So अच्छा, first to gain weight,
Yeah.
I had stopped working out
Yeah.
because my metabolism was such that even if I work out twice a week, thrice a week, I will not gain weight. So I completely stopped working out, and that's how I gained weight. I had all the kinds of sweets,
Oh my
which
God.
I
But did you
generally
enjoy
don't. I enjoyed, but beyond a point, it was very strenuous because it was difficult for me to gain weight, specifically on the belly part and the double chin and all. It is not coming across on the screen. So पूरी टीम मेरे पीछे पड़ी थी कि कुछ भी सर, कुछ दिखता नहीं है, कुछ दिखता नहीं है. मतलब कितना बढ़ेगा यार आदमी. And 18 kgs is not a joke, man.
I know, but what did you include in your food? A lot of oil, a lot of food.
So
what?
everything and anything जो जनरली मैं अवॉइड करता था, पर लॉकडाउन में बहुत डिफिकल्ट था यार, बिकॉज एवरीबडी वॉज पोस्टिंग सम गुड डिशेज एवरी डे एंड यू आर नॉट सपोज टू ईट. सो दैट्स अ वेरी वेरी ट्रिकी थिंग.
Correct. Also, something about the film that you're doing right now on the sets of.
Okay, so I guess they've just recently shared on social media. The film is called Valam Jaone.
Yeah.
So that's an interesting name. And you can see from my clothes that I'm doing something really weird that I had never done. It's going to be a good fun ride, a kind of film that I had never done. So I'm experimenting again with this genre and this kind of characters.
All right. One last question. I just want to know, how is the treatment different after Harshad Mehta?
So the major difference is earlier, you know, in mainstream specifically, that wherever you go or wherever you are approached, you are told that ऐसा एक role है, sir, ऐसा character है, आप कब available है, and that's it. Now the conversation is different. It's there is this particular production house and director looking for something, and they would want to narrate you the script. So this is the huge difference, that now they are ready to narrate the script, they are ready to give me the script, read. Uh, so it, you know, gave me that flexibility to select between the good projects and the scripts. Earlier choices were very limited, or maybe there was no choice. Now I have choices to make from. So that's the huge difference.
Nice. So everybody is doing either national television or Hindi films, and amazing production houses they're getting associated with. You doing Harshad Mehta, and after that the Fame. Diksha doing a film with YRF and the Fame. So how do you think Gujarati film industry is going to miss out on their good actors, or these actors are going to go all out and devote themselves and their time in the regional cinema as well?
I think I look at it this way, that the more we get chance to perform in mainstream, we are creating new audience base also, for ourselves also, and for whatever work that we'll do in future. That includes my regional cinema, that includes my theatre also. The other day I was talking to somebody that earlier the scenario is that whenever I put up a show on theatre, you know, you always feel that I want to have a houseful show.
Always.
So it is like you have to almost, you know, go to the audience and tell them, please come for the show, please come for the show, be it on social media or the otherwise. I'm hoping for the day where the scenario changes, where you announce the show and it should get houseful. People should come to watch. People should be ready to come and, you know, spend their 3 hours with you, watching you. It's not about those 200 rupees a ticket. It's about their time, because that's the most important thing that audience invests.
So there's a lot has been happening around. People would give you feedback about your acting skills or how your performance was in a film. Do you think is that going to get affected after Harshad Mehta, or people are going to get hesitant before reaching out to you and telling you that, you know, I don't know if they can actually?
I don't know about it, because I think it depends on how you know, conduct yourself, your behavior with people, how you are open, or how much you are being perceived as an open person to receive any kind of comment, be it appreciation or a criticism. So I guess as far as myself is concerned, I am always open, and I had always been communicating to people for this.
So how many interviews have you been doing in a day now?
Okay, so I had been doing almost 6 to 7 interviews a day from last 40 days.
Oh, great.
So most of my interviews are on autopilot now. I don't need questions.
You can just go on start
I can tell you 5 answers.
before anyone asks a question. Great. Thank you so much, Pratik. Thank you so much for all your time.
Thank
It
you
was
very
pleasure
much.
having you.
Same here, I enjoyed this.
Thank you so much.
If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.